I'm Roscoe Young, and I'm a student at Gill St. Bernard's. I'm in the 11th grade, and I did my paper on the health benefits of laughter. And I thought that the health benefits of laughter would be it would be a fun paper to write. It would be very interesting, and I wouldn't get bored and caught up in too much scientific talk that I didn't understand because science isn't necessarily my strong suit. I'm doing this. I had to involve the mind in my paper because of the psychology aspect of mine. I took both biology and psychology this year, so I had to find a way to tie them together. And I figured I laugh a lot, so I'd like to know what benefits that had. So next time I get in trouble for laughing in school, I can say that I'm trying to help myself. I'm taking a natural medicine, so I thought that that would be fun. First, we started off with just general lessons about what we're going to be doing in the paper so we could get a kind of idea of what we might want to write about. So we're not just going and taking any random thing that we thought about and writing about it. We looked through books and all kind of sources just to try to get an idea, make sure this is really what you want to spend over a month writing, because if I had picked something that didn't interest me, I would have been in for a world of hurt. So I found this after a while, and I thought it was really interesting. So first off, we have to start with GP articles, which are general press, such as news reports, magazines, newspaper articles. So we go through those, and we find ones that are relevant to our topic. Just anything about laughter. It doesn't necessarily need to be about the health benefits, but as long as it involves laughter, it's actually really easy to all tie together. And then after that, we did peer-reviewed articles, which were more of a scientific journal type feel to it. So after that, we would go through, summarize them in our own words, and then we'd type them up, and that put together most of our paper. And then after that, we had the methodology to talk about how we did our paper, how all the information was compiled from all of the different studies that we went through. And then after that, there was the abstract and the bibliography, which was self-explanatory. None of it was particularly easy. I think I didn't manage my time to the best of my ability in the beginning, and therefore I got a little behind, but Miss Schmidt helped me catch up, made sure that I got everything done by the deadlines. So once you get the lesson and it's thoroughly explained, the entire thing comes very easily. It's not difficult to do once you have instruction. Now that I've done it once, I feel that I could go find another topic and write another one and have it done in a matter of days. It takes a while. The process is long, but we go into a lot of detail on each aspect. So now when I go to college, if I have a paper due in a week, I'll be able to efficiently go through and get every single thing done very thoroughly because of this. What you do is you try not to swallow it all at once. You try to take small doses of it. You read one maybe one night and summarize it, and then the next one the next night. So you try not to jumble all the information in your head. And while you're doing it, you're summarizing them on the back. Like this entire study that I have a short summary on the back of it. So that helps me put my ideas in the words better. So I could read this and summarize it, put it right here. And then when it comes to actually compiling all of it, I have a summary on the back of every single one of them. Then it becomes just a matter of typing it all up on my computer and cutting and editing so it all flows well. The health benefits of laughter actually are a very wide range of things. It can go as far as destroying bad bacteria in the intestines to preventing future heart attacks possibly. It relieves stress, and stress causes an array of problems. So once it relieves the stress, then you're better off. So, I mean, it does a lot. It releases endorphins in the brain. So it kind of gives you a natural high. So you relax more. So I found it really interesting to know that all of this, people have actual medicines prescribed by doctors for a lot of things, stress, heart problems. And I just found it really interesting to know that something that even a 2-year-old does could actually end up helping you live longer. I might not take the actual topic, the health benefits of laughter, but I'll definitely take the ideas and be able to write one of these papers that touches on every aspect of any given topic, and I'll be able to write that in a short amount of time because in college there are time constraints around your work, and I'll be able to do that done and know I handed in very good work. And I don't think a lot of kids from other schools have the opportunity to write something like this and be prepared. So I think that this is really going to give me a leg up when I get into college.